This is how you're gonna thread the needle. In one hand you're gonna hold the thread and in other the needle. Make sure to hold closer to your finger. Then take the needle and place it on the top of the thread. And now just insert, and that's it. All done. Now let me show you how to do the knot. So take with one finger the thread and then make a loop and then roll it and holding with our other finger just pull. And this is how the knot is made. There are a different option which I'm gonna show you, which is much easier. You make a simple loop across and then you just need to pull the thread through that little loop. And then just pull and all done.